Hey there, and welcome to another Clockify video. My name's Julian, and today I'm going to help you make planning in Clockify a breeze. Clockify helps you plan and manage your resources better. With it, you can create shifts, schedule staff, manage time off, track hours, and run reports on how your resources are used. So let's break it down together. First up, setting up your team. Step 1, add employees as full or limited members. Step 2, customize the profiles. You can set the day their work week starts, which days they work, and their daily working capacity. Those capacity settings are key when you start building optimized schedules. If everyone shares the same parameters, set them once in the settings. Want more details? Add custom fields like employment type or ID. You can assign roles such as project or team manager to control who can do what and allocate responsibilities across teams. So project managers have the ability to see all track time on their projects and edit aspects of their projects, such as adding tasks, managing project access, scheduling their own projects and assignments, approving submitted time for their projects, and then team managers focus more on overseeing their team members and groups. They can do things like see and edit all track time for their team members, approved submitted timesheets for their team members, approved time off for their team members, before scheduling, you can categorize your track time by using labels such as clients, projects, and tasks. These labels can be changed, of course, to better fit your workflow. Projects need a name, a color, and a client if there is one. You can mark tasks as billable or non-billable, make projects public or private, and set deadlines. You can add time estimates for the whole project or for each task. You can reset them weekly, monthly, or annually. Next is budgeting. Set budgets like you set estimates and include expenses. Note that depending on your settings, budgets can be seen by anyone or just admins. Use the notes field for budget constraints or allocation details. Admins have the option to use forecasting to predict if you'll hit deadlines, so you can adjust early. Managing absences? Clockify makes it simple. Create custom time off policies and decide who it applies to, whether it's in hours or days, and if half days are allowed. You can set approval, accrual rules, and negative balance allowances. You can also add extra days off manually. For holidays, customize by country. Make them repeat annually or import them with Clockify's add-on. Now, when you schedule, you'll see exactly who's out and for how long. You can use scheduling to plan future revenues and costs. This feature helps you better plan your cash flow and anticipate how much your revenue planned activities will bring versus how much they will cost you. Note that these views and options are specifically for admins. The project view, add the project, assign people and hours, mark billable or recurring, and add milestones. Team view. See each person's daily or weekly capacity before you assign them work. You'll know if they're full, have hours open, or are overbooked. Approved time off is shown so there are no surprises. Once you publish, your team knows exactly what to work on and can start tracking time from their calendar. In the calendar view, click an assignment to start the timer or save it as a time entry. Managers can view employee calendars so no one gets double booked. Other tracking tools are used, such as the timesheet, where you can track time by day, week, tags, and billable status. And then copy last week or use templates. You can also have custom fields you can create. The tracker has options such as timer mode, manual mode, break mode, plus custom fields as well. Mobile tracking, which uses GPS tracking or field work and allows you to replay taken routes. The desktop app, which has the auto tracker feature, which logs activities across apps and browser tabs. The browser extension for tracking time inside other apps. And Kiosk, which allows users to clock in on any device. You can even set reminders for tracking, so no hours are missed. For reports, switch to the dashboard. See who's working and on what right now. For the key reports, you have the assignments report, which shows scheduled versus tracked time, and you also have the option to see the billable and cost amounts in the assignment report if enabled. Then there's the attendance report, which shows hours, breaks, time off, and overtime. The summary report, which shows the total effort by project, and you can switch to billable versus non-billable. The detailed report, which shows every time entry with fields. The weekly report, which shows activity by user or project. And finally, the expense report, which shows all expenses with receipts. You can export reports to PDF, CSV, or Excel, and share reports or schedule them to be sent daily, weekly, or monthly. You can check out our site for our other videos for more tips, or just check us out on YouTube. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.